Historical buildings. India has a rich historical past. Rulers from many different cultures have ruled this country and built many structures to remember a special person or an event. These structures are called monuments. They may be buildings, tombs, forts, palaces, gravestones, statues, or religious structures. Historical buildings and monuments have various styles of architecture, painting, sculpture, and other crafts. There are hundreds of historical monuments in India. Each monument has its unique history and story. Let's read about some famous monuments of India. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a unique masterpiece. It is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is situated on the banks of river Yamuna in the city of Agra. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It took about 22 years to construct the monument. Artists and architects from different parts of the world were brought for its construction. The Taj Mahal was designed by a Persian architect, Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The materials used for its construction were brought from various parts of India and Asia. The Taj Mahal is a square tomb completely made of white marble brought from Rajasthan. It is built on a raised terrace with graceful tall minarets. The walls are carved with flowers and inlaid with precious stones such as garnet, sapphire, and jade. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is a tall and very famous minaret in the world. It is located at Mehroli in Delhi. Its construction was started by Qutb Uddin Aibak and completed by Iltutmish. This monument is 72 meter high and has 379 steps from bottom to top. It has 5 stories and each has a different design. Each floor is surrounded by a projected balcony encircling the minar. The lower 3 stories are made using red sandstone and the top 2 with marble and sandstone. Qutub Minar is surrounded by several other structures such as iron pillar, Alai Darwaza, and tombs of Altamash, Alauddin Khilji, and Imam Zamin. These structures, together with the Qutub Minar, form the Qutub complex. The iron pillar at the Qutub complex remains smooth and unrusted in spite of its exposure to rain and storm. Sun Temple. The Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha. It was built by King Narsimha. The temple was designed in the form of a chariot of the sun god with 12 pairs of ornamented wheels pulled by 7 beautifully carved horses. These 7 horses represent the 7 days of the week. The walls of the temple are sculptured with figures of gods, goddesses, musicians, and dancers. The entrance is guarded by 2 lions, each of which is shown crushing an elephant. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar represent the astronomical observatories built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. He constructed 5 Jantar Mantar located in Delhi, Jaipur, Varanasi, Ujjain, and Mathura. The one in Mathura does not exist anymore. The Jantar Mantars are great masterpieces which show scientific understanding and awareness of ancient India. They are made of stones and marbles. Each Jantar Mantar has 13 instruments. These instruments are used for measuring time, forecasting weather changes, and predicting movements of the sun, the moon, and other planets. The Jantar Mantars can still be used to tell the time accurately. Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is a huge archway on the waterfront at Apollo Bandar in Mumbai. It was designed by the British architect George Whitted. It was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Mumbai in 1911. It is a 25-meter high structure with four turrets and intricate lattice work. It is made of yellow basalt and concrete. The central dome of the monument is 83 feet high. There are steps behind the arc of the gateway that lead to the Arabian Sea. The monument is constructed in such a way that one can see the large expanse of the sea welcoming and sending off the ships. Protecting our monuments. Historical monuments help us to know about the life of the people who lived at that time. It is important to protect and preserve all monuments so that our forthcoming generations can visit them and learn about the glorious past of India from them. But due to various natural and human made activities, these historical monuments are losing their identity. Some risks faced by them are increased pollution from vehicles, industrial pollution, ill planned development, floods, and other natural disasters, lack of management of resources. 18 April is celebrated as the World Heritage Day every year. The Archaeological Survey of India ASI maintains and repairs heritage buildings. Heritage buildings are the buildings that are recognized by the government for their cultural and historical value. Visitors have to pay an entry fee when they visit them. This helps to raise funds for the maintenance of these monuments. As visitors, it is our duty to take care of historical monuments. While visiting them, we should take care of the following things. Do not scratch or write on their walls. Abide by the rules laid down by the government to preserve them. Do not throw garbage in or around them. Discourage people who try to disfigure or damage them. Know these terms. Minaret, a tall, thin tower, inlaid, decorated with designs of wood, metal, etc. Projected, something that sticks out. Astronomical, related to the scientific study of the sun, moon, stars, etc. Observatory, a building from which scientists can watch the stars, the weather, etc. Commemorate, to remember and give respect to a great person or event. Let's recall, monuments are structures built in the past to remember a special person or an event. Historical buildings and monuments have various styles of architecture, painting, sculpture, and other crafts. Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Sun Temple, Jantar Mantar, and Gateway of India are some famous historical monuments in India. Heritage buildings are the buildings which are recognized by the government for their historical and cultural value. There are many risks faced by the historical monuments. It is very important that we protect and preserve them for our future generations.